you looking for a tropical getaway in the heart of Leamington? Wonderful! Jephson Botanical Glasshouse offers a rainforest ambience complete with koi pond. It's free, serene, and ideal for photography. They have packed so many different plants in here: bananas, ferns, orchids, and check out this koi pond right in the middle. You can even spot the koi fish. Botanical Glasshouse offers a rainforest ambience. It is not huge, but every corner feels like a new discovery. Super warm, super green, and instantly calming atmosphere. If you are in Leamington Spa, don't skip Glass House. It's quiet, it's green, and totally worth checking out. Jephson Gardens on its own has so much to offer, and this botanical garden is one of its highlights. And if you are visiting in spring, you have to check out the tulip garden just outside. Its spectacular display of colors. There are so many varieties here: bright reds, pink, deep purples. It's like walking through a rainbow. All right, that's it from the botanical garden and a little tulip magic to end the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, your Travel Saki signing off. Bye bye.